Okay, so hello guys. In this video, we have some tasks that we will resolve in this video. So first of all, the first task is how to use loop and object to group together, how to loop through values and key, how to loop until the correct user value using while loop, and create a main function. Okay, so let's go one by one. So let me just convert into the HTML page first. So what I will do here, I will just close this one and just type here h2 of loop HTML, and I will just open into the Chrome browser. And now just let me open this into the notepad. Let me just convert this into the script variable, script environment for this code window. Okay, now this is done. Now what we can do here, how to use loop and object together. So let's say we have one array variable, let's say 1 2 3 4. Okay, now object, we need to also declare some object. This is one object 1, object 2. Now these are the keys and values both. So how we can connect this together, and how we can fetch name, age, series 1 only, not value, just key. Okay, so these are the object keys. Okay, and after that, how we can just in second task we will just fetch the key and values both together. So in first loop, what we can do here, let I in a, so I will write here, we'll use in function and console.log. I need to only fetch the keys, right? So for that, first of all, I am showing you the simple way. Okay, console.log and object.keys. Just simply write a b, and that's all. Missing syntax for this one. So this will give you the objective name as series and series 1. So this way you can use without using the loop. But if you want to go through the loop, then you can also do like this way, console.log, and this will give you the result line by line. So sorry, I should type only I. Okay, name is series. So this will iterate in loop one by one. So this way you can play with the object. And the second example is how to get values and key together. So this is also, in this way you will get the key, and for value okay, so second task is also completed. Now let's jump to the third task, how to loop until the correct until the user input value. Okay, this we can use using the while loop. Let's put the prompt, a is equal to blank. I am just putting this one, while a dot length greater than 0, So we will put here this loop will continuously run until the length is 0. So what we can do here, we'll use prompt is equal to, let me assign into the let variable, let from enter details. Okay, so now let's run this code. No, still not cancelling on this one. Okay, when I cancel, if you can see whenever I am just entering, okay, it is not showing any input. So if I put 23 after that, this loop is stopped to run or to show, or stop to show this prompt. Okay, so this way. Else what will happen, if you just directly put in this way, then it just shows the one time. Okay, but if you add into the while loop, so until this condition, until the user not put any input, this prompt will automatically appears. So here is the while loop. Now just create the main function. So in main function, what we need, first of all, we need an array. So so what is the main function? Main function is actually average of values in simple word. Okay, so what would be the average? 1 2 3 4. So average I think is 2 or 3. Okay, whatever is that. So let's see how we can use in main function. So if I go to the Excel, and if you see what is the average of 1 2 3 4, or just use the main function, or directly average the 2.5 or 2, right? So how we can get the average of value using the function? So simply function create mean, and I will use parameter AB and call this create mean using a variable here. Inside this function, what first of all I will just check whether this function is working or not. So console.log AP, and now just let's check. Okay, so it's working. Now I need average of this one. How I can get average? So I will use the for loop for this one. So I will have to first of all sum, and after that divided with so I need first of all sum of this value. After that I will divide it with its count, like this way. This way mean is creates, right? So for getting the sum, I will use the for loop. Okay, for each loop, or I can just simply use arrow function or modern function. And I will write here let sum is equal to 0. In this arrow block, I will write my function. Sum is equal to each. Now let's check what exactly value will appear in this function console.log ab. So value should be 10. No, still value is not showing 10. Why exactly value is not? Oh, I think uh, I should print the sum, not AB. From variable. It's showing the 10, right? Now, once I get the value into this variable, so I will divide this sum with the number of length of array, right? So what I will do, ab dot length. So this will result answer 2.5, right? So average is 2.5. So if I add 5, the average would be the 3. So this way you can create a mean function. Thanks for the watching.